So today is pronunciation day. Let's pronounce all these 50 words based on the sounds we've studied so far. So I want to test how well you are doing. So this is the right time to test yourself. Let's go. Pronounce alongside with me. Let's go. Protestant. 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 Propellant. 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 Prominent. 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 Provident. 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 Proponent. 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 Potent. 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 We have plant, chant, plenty, tyrant, gentle, mental. Plant, chant, plenty, tyrant, gentle, mental. Okay, we proceed. Prevent, prevent, prevent. Preeminent, preeminent, preeminent. Present, present, present. Pretense, pretense, pretense. Prevent, prevent, prevent. President, president, president. So how many did you get right on this section? Let's see section 2. Percent, percent, percent. Permanent, permanent, permanent. Performance, performance, performance. Perception, perception, perception. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Champion, champion, champion. Chalant, chalant, chalant. Chance, chance, chance. Reference, reference, reference. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Penitence, 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 penitence. Again, percent, percent. Permanent, permanent. Performance, performance. Perception, perception. Perfect, perfect. Champion, champion. Chalant, chalant. Chance, chance. Reference, reference. Resistance, resistance. Penitence, penitence. Penitence, penitence, penitence. Third section we have comment, comment, comment. Compact, compact, compact. Commotion, commotion, commotion. Companion, companion, companion. Competence, competence, competence. Complement, Compliment. Compliment. Communicate. 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 Participate. 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 Complicate. 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 Component. 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 Advantage. 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 Adage. 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 Voltage. 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 Validate. 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 Factor. 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 Sector. 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 Mentor. 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 Treasure. 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 Pleasure. 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 Picture. 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 Fixture. 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 So again we have comment. Comment. Compact. Compact. Commotion. Commotion. Companion. Companion. Competence. Competence. Compliment. Compliment. Communicate. Communicate. Participate. Participate. Complicate. Complicate. Component. Component. Advantage. Advantage. Adage. Adage. Voltage. Voltage. Validate. 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 Factor. Factor. Sector. Sector. Mentor. Mentor. Treasure. Treasure. Pleasure. Pleasure. Picture. Picture. Fixture. Fixture. Okay, so tell me how many you are able to pronounce right in the comment section. So you can actually pause every of these category and try pronouncing them to see if actually you are following on this journey. Don't forget, we are still on our 31 days pronunciation journey, and today is actually the 15th day of this journey. So try pronouncing all these, because so far so good. We have tried all these sounds, if not all, most of the sounds. Okay, so it's gonna give joy, it's gonna help you if you could take your time, go to first one, second one, and third one, pronounce them completely. Okay, and don't forget, if you're here to join us, you like what we do, you can join us simply by subscribing, and when you do, turn on your notification button, because in that way you get notified whenever we post a new video. Okay, so this is what it is. Thank you, see you soon.